What am I grabbing? Both. Okay. Well, one thing I thought that was really interesting when glancing through the reading section, you recommended for us to look at number 9. And going through that, I didn't think that one was that difficult, but then when we popped over to question 10, we realized that question 10's response required a correct response on question 9. So when you have answers that are dependent on previous answers, that's a big step for our kids.
Okay. Yep. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Yeah, and I think you're seeing that trending even in the sample items, whether it's M-STEP or Smarter or Park or whatever. Yep.
On the essay prompt, we noticed that if you have students who are familiar with what goes on in AP language, they will be very familiar with this type of writing. It's much more, well, it's all analysis. But we noticed that the sample that scored the highest, even that sample was quite formulaic in its response. It had a very standard thesis statement, and then the body paragraphs went 1, 2, 3 in the same order as the thesis statement was presented in the introduction. It's a matter of getting our kids to understand not only that they have to recognize what moves the writer is making, but what those moves mean to the work as a whole. They have to answer the so what question at the end.
Great. Thank you.
Appreciate that. All right, and I'm impressed that you guys got into the sample items and even analyzing that. Great. One more table. What was something that came out of the conversation? Okay.
Which is which? Is this okay? So with the essay writing, analyzing a writer's craft, which we teach, but we've never taught them how to write a whole essay other than AP language. I mean, we've been teaching argument, and for the ACT, hey, this is an argument. Write an argument. Use counter argument, and to write an analysis essay is something quite different. So that'll be a big change.
Okay. Thank you, and thanks to everybody diving into that section that way. The discussion was fantastic, and I kind of felt bad interrupting your conversations at the end to even bring it back. But we also want to be sure to get you to the next piece. So thank you for that.